Hi all, this is SanTechBoard and today we are going to get a free domain from a site called Cloudns, actually cloudns.net. So what is a domain name and why do we need it? It is basically a name that we give to our website instead of some random IP addresses that we have when we host any services in the internet. It also gives us a name that we can get from, you know, searching in the browser. So it's easy to find rather than an IP address for our clients. So let's do it with further ado. Open up a browser, type in cloudns, cloudns.net and hit enter, or simply just type cloudns and click the first link and wait for it to load. Yeah, it's loaded. So as you can see, there is four options here for a DNS. There is free DNS, premium DNS, DDoS protected DNS, and geo DNS. But we are going to use free DNS. So go to the sign button. For those who have an account in Cloudns, you can directly sign in, but I am going to create a new account, so I'm going to click sign up a new account. Okay, then so after I enter the details, I'm going to click on agree with terms of service, then click on sign up. Okay, I'm going to add a last name to it, board. Okay, then we click sign up. Okay. Oh, I might need to check my email. I'm going to open up a new tab here and type in Gmail and hit enter. Open Gmail. So we have our email here, so open it and click on the link given. So it will show us an activation page here. Wait for it to load. Yeah, there it is, and click activate. Yeah, you're on the dashboard of Cloudns. You can either attend a tutorial here. You can either click yes, but I don't need it, so I'll click no. And here's the dashboard where you create and manage your DNS. You can only create one DNS, so one domain name, but you can create multiple subdomains with it. So first click on create zone, then click on free zone. The other options won't work. We need a free zone, so we will click on free zone and type in any names. Okay, I'll type in SanTechBoard. Okay, and you could select from these domains. I'll select cloudns.be, and you could even select activate dynamic DNS, means that if your IP changes from time to time, the domain name points to your device always. Okay, so that would be beneficial, but I don't have an IP at this time for a website. So I'm going to click create. Yeah, it's updating in its servers, name servers for my name, domain name. That is, it's still updating. You can click on it to see which servers it's updating to. Wait for it. There are 4 servers, I think. Yeah, there are 4, and it's updating my domain name to each server it has. Wait for it to update. It will take some time. Well, it's taking a while than I expected. So let's go to the DNS records here and show some things you need to know. Yeah, well, this thing is definitely taking some time. Yeah, these are the name servers, and you can add different types of DNS records here. An A type is a record in which you can add your domain name to your IP. That is a static one, not a dynamic one. You can type in your IP here and leave it if you need to be, if the domain needs to be like SanTechBoard.cloudns.beef in my case, or you could add anything like www, any letters or something like that. Okay, and close it. And a CNAME record is another notable one in which you can add a record with your host name, but you need to add something before it. It cannot be left empty, and it points to another domain name. It does not point to an IP. So these are different. And a for a type in which you point your domain name to a IPv6, IPv6 IP. Oh, IPv6 address, not IP. And there is a web redirect in which you can point the domain to any link you want, a web link, of course. You can leave it as it is, or you can type in anything here to be the name in the to be the domain, and it can point to any site like Google, my website, or any other, and can close it. Okay, yeah, the update is finished, and you can start adding these records. As for the records, you can only add 50 records, and I do have 4 records in the name server, and it shows 5. Oh, I know. And a record like SanTechBoard.cloudns.be as a domain, and the 4 others. You can add up to 50, but you can't add any more domain name, and you can have 500,000 queries in a month and 1 mail forward without any cost. If you need to level up your domain and other services, you can buy for it, but this is a free version. You need to try it out. I mean, you may try it to check your projects or any other like that. So that's for today, guys. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Hope you like the video.